Hello there. This is the Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American R-colored vowel R, as in the word car. You can also hear this sound in words like park, art, heart, or far. We'll be using special phonetic symbols, R, for this sound. Let's recap what we've learned in the R-colored vowels overview video. The R is one of the 7 American R-colored vowel sounds. The R is an R-colored diphthong, and it's made by merging the ah and the r sounds. As with all R-colored vowel sounds, the R is often distorted by non-native English speakers. The spelling for R-colored vowels could be confusing. Now, let's find out how to pronounce this R-colored vowel. To make the R sound correctly, focus on pronouncing 2 sounds and making a smooth connection between them. This is how you do that. Start with making the ah sound. Open your mouth as wide as possible. Relax your lips and allow them to rest in a neutral position. Now, let's move your tongue into the correct position for the ah vowel. Place your tongue very low in the center of your mouth and make it flat. The tip of your tongue should be touching the back of your bottom front teeth. Next, connect the ah to the r sound with a long gliding movement. Slightly round your lips. Curl back the tip of your tongue. Now, slightly lower the center of your tongue and raise its back. Your tongue should be tensed. Now let's color the ah with the r and blend the 2 sounds together. R, R, R. Let's talk about the most typical mistakes that people make when pronouncing the R sound. Number 1. Many non-native English speakers reduce the r sound in the R vowel. This would be fine in British English, but an American accent requires the r to be pronounced. So, if you reduce the r, your American R will be distorted, and it may lead to misunderstandings. Compare. Ka, car, park, park. Number 2. Some non-native speakers pronounce the r in the R, but they trill it. Remember, Americans never trill their R-colored vowel sounds. Compare. Car, car, park, park. How do you avoid trilling? The tip of your tongue should never touch the alveolar ridge when you pronounce the R-colored sounds. Remember, if you want to sound like an American, don't reduce the r when pronouncing the R-colored vowels and avoid trilling them. Now, let's practice the R sound in some words. This is how we'll do it. You'll see a word on the screen and hear its pronunciation. Like this. Alarm. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the word. Don't skip this part and try to go through as many words as possible. The more you practice, the better your American accent will become. Let's begin.
Alarm. Apartment. R. Army. Art. Article. Bar. Bark. Barn. Car. Card. Carpet. Cart. Charge. Charm. Dark. Darling. Department. Farm. Garbage. Garden. Guard. Guitar. Hard. Hardware. Harmony. Heart. Large. Marble. Parcel. Pardon. Park. Part. Partner. Party. Scar. Star. Start. Tardy. Yard.
You're done. Congratulations! A few words about how this sound is represented in spelling. In about 97% of all words with this sound, the R is represented by the combination of letters AR. That's the good news. The news that's not so good is that there are many words in which AR is pronounced as other R-colored vowels. Take a look. How do you know which sound to pronounce when you see the AR combination? Well, the only recommendation that we can give you right now is this. Stay tuned on our Sounds American channel. Click like if you like this video. By the way, did we say that we like your comments? Hannah said, I hope you add that bonus track at the end of each lesson just to get familiar with the sound when it's used in a sentence. That's a good point. How could we forget about our bonus tracks? Here you go.
A guard with a scar in a car.
Share this video with your friends, pets, and relatives. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned on our Sounds American channel.